Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your WeChat profile picture on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the WeChat app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you download the app, open it. Then on the bottom of your screen, you can see Chat, Contacts, Discover and Me. Tap on Me, then you have to go to your profile picture. Once you go to the profile picture, you can see there's profile photo option. Tap on it. Then on the top right corner, you can see three dots option. Tap on it and select take photo option and take a blank picture. Once you do that, select and done. And it's gonna take a few seconds to load. Guys, that's it. That's how you delete or change the profile picture on your WeChat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.